Whose room is this?
Emma's.
Emma's. Show me it. Can you show me your room? Well, let's go look in it inside. What's over here?
My bookshelf.
Your bookshelf. What else? What's this? What's over here? Come this way. What's this way? Is this your dresser?
And my cup. And a drink.
You need a drink. What is this?
My room. Look.
Is that your big girl bed?
And a drink.
You okay? Is that your big girl bed?
Like
What's on your night-night light?
Tinkerbell.
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 What's it say above your closet door?
E for Emma. A-N.
E for Emma. What's in that box?
People.
Your little people. Who's over here? Who's this guy?
Puppy Sherman.
That's Puppy Sherman. You have a nice room. Say bye.
Bye.